Happy 4th of July, everyone. Welcome back to the Power of TPO2S. Last time we have a cliff diving contest. The 6 teams did good last time. But however, one member of the Master Builders will be leaving the game. So let's find out at Cake at Stake. Welcome to your first ever elimination, Master Builders. If I call your name, you're safe. If I don't, you are eliminated. Let's start. Rubber spatula. It takes two girls. Clapboard. South Tower. Locky. We. PX41. North Tower. So it's down to Slurpee and McDonald's logo. And the person safe is... The person safe is... McDonald's logo. Yes! Finally! I'm safe! Wait, what? Slurpee, I'm afraid that you have been eliminated. What? You gotta be kidding me? Just because I disappeared? Dude, you kinda deserved it. Yeah, where have you been? To my old house? That's a lie. Look, I'm a liar. Okay, Slurpee, that's enough. It's time to go home. Where am I sending to? Well, obviously, normally we would send you to the container with the contestants that didn't compete this season are. However, we found out a greater solution. Cut to the ad. Are you bored? Don't you have nothing to do? Well, if you have nothing to do, buy a little battery. That's right, a little boring piece of battery. It only costs $999. Go buy it right now. Slurpee, you'll be staying in the pink container where the eliminated contestants are, okay? Any final words before we leave? Before you leave? Yes, I got a few. I will get my revenge on all of you guys. All of you guys for voting me. And you two viewers, you'll regret everything. Alright, Slurpee. Time to go. But please, can't I say one final word? No. No. Wow, that was intense. Not so fast. We have 4 recommended characters joining the game. We have some 13 newbies and several returnees. Let's go to Cake at Stake to see who. Let's go to Cake at Stake to see who'll be joining the game. 4 members only.